Morning guys, today we've got here Redmi 13R and let me show you how to use secret codes. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and now we can enter secret codes. The first one is *#06#. And here you've got device information with email and serial number assigned to your device. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use is *##426 *##. And now you can use FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. Whenever you want to explore it a bit more, tap on more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got it. Let me go back. And the last code that I would like to show you today is *##225 ###. And here you've got calendar details, so once you enter the code, you will be provided with all dates, all important events, every celebration that is stored on any calendar that is connected with your phone. So this is it. Obviously, if you have any more codes, smoothly enter it the same way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.